Are you a small job shop or a small make-to-order manufacturer? You do not use any ERP system at all? Or you use your ERP system for administration and finance only? As your current system has no production scheduling support, you built a hands-on system by your own. Most likely, you built this with Microsoft Excel or you use a big whiteboard. So far, this helped you to get along. However, your business grows and the number of jobs you need to handle grows as well. This is great for your business, but does your scheduling system scale as well? What do you do if you need to squeeze in an urgent order of your top customer? Can you easily see the impact on other orders? Can you easily see where is your bottleneck that determines your throughput? Can you easily identify the most efficient way to maximize your throughput and finish the new job in time? If this sounds familiar to you, Just Planet will help you. Just Planet enables easy production scheduling for job shops and machine shops. And if needed, Just Planet can also be interfaced to your ERP system.